Who is the author of Introduction of the Constitution? A. Sardar Patel. B. D.D. Basu. C. B.R. Ambedkar. D. Jawaharlal Nehru. The correct answer is B. D.D. Basu. What are the objectives and duties of the SHRC similar to? A. The National Human Rights Commission, NHRC. B. The Election Commission of India. C. The Parliament of India. D. The Supreme Court of India. The correct answer is A. The National Human Rights Commission, NHRC. Who arranges, supervises, and conducts elections to the Lok Sabha? A. The Prime Minister of India. B. The Supreme Court of India. C. The President of India. D. The Election Commission of India. The correct answer is D. The Election Commission of India. A person from which service typically serves as a municipal commissioner? A. Indian Forest Service, IFS. B. Indian Administration Service, IS. C. Indian Police Service, IPS. D. Indian Revenue Service, IRS. The correct answer is B. Indian Administration Service, IS. What is a demerit of a federal form of government? A. It is more expensive. B. It prevents the concentration of powers. C. It is more suitable for bigger countries. D. It is good for economic and cultural progress. The correct answer is A. It is more expensive. What are considered first-order landforms? A. Rivers and lakes. B. Valleys and plains. C. Continents and oceans. D. Mountains and plateaus. The correct answer is C. Continents and oceans. When was the National Human Rights Commission constituted? A. 20th December 2002. B. 12th October 1993. C. 26th January 1950. D. 12th October 1976. The correct answer is B. 12th October 1993. What date did the UNO General Assembly resolve to observe as the International Day of Democracy? A. 15th September. B. 15th August. C. 26th January. D. 2nd October. The correct answer is A. 15th September. Which type of rights would cover the ability to participate in government administration? A. Social rights. B. Cultural rights. C. Economic rights. D. Political rights. The correct answer is D. Political rights. What has given birth to a weaker section of society in India? A. Geographical isolation. B. Technological advancements. C. Social inequality. D. Historical conflicts. The correct answer is C. Social inequality. Laws are made by which levels of government? A. Local and international governments. B. Provincial and federal governments. C. Municipal and county governments. D. State and central governments. The correct answer is D. State and central governments. What is described as the ultimate law in the text? A. Parliamentary debates. B. Executive orders. C. The Constitution of India. D. Judicial pronouncements. The correct answer is C. The Constitution of India. How many different types of market structures are students expected to identify according to the learning objectives? A. 4. B. 2. C. 5. D. 3. The correct answer is A. 4. What is a key role the elephant plays in its native region? A. Providing transport. B. Cultivating crops. C. Maintaining forests. D. Building dams. The correct answer is C. Maintaining forests. The fundamental law of a state is also known as what? A. Resolution. B. Constitution. C. Cabinet. D. Tribunal. The correct answer is B. Constitution. Which of these countries is an EAS strategic partner but not an ASEAN nation in the RCEP context? A. United States. B. Australia. C. Japan. D. New Zealand. The correct answer is A. United States. What does the text prompt analysis of regarding national symbols? A. Their maintenance costs. B. Why certain organisms are adopted. C. Their historical significance. D. Their artistic design. The correct answer is B. Why certain organisms are adopted. The Legislative Council is a part of which body in India? A. Central Legislature. B. Supreme Court. C. State legislatures. D. Union Parliament. The correct answer is C. State legislatures. An independent candidate contests an election without an affiliation with what? A. Government organizations. B. International observers. C. Political parties. D. Electoral commissions. The correct answer is C. Political parties. Which country has Indian firms as its biggest investors? A. Bhutan. B. Bangladesh. C. Sri Lanka. D. Nepal. The correct answer is D. Nepal. What level provides services within the structure described? A. Panchayat union level. B. State level. C. District level. D. Town panchayat level. The correct answer is A. Panchayat union level. Which organization is specifically for scheduled tribes in India? A. The National Commission for Scheduled Tribes. B. censusindia.gov.in. C. The National Commission for Women. D. The Election Commission of India. The correct answer is A. The National Commission for Scheduled Tribes. What is another activity mentioned that diverts attention from driving? A. Planning the route. B. Texting messages. C. Checking the time. D. Listening to music loudly. The correct answer is B. Texting messages. Which of the following is identified as a danger from which democracy suffers? A. Technological advancements. B. International alliances. C. Economic growth. D. Social evils. The correct answer is D. Social evils. How many years are the chairperson and other members of the Human Rights Commission appointed for? A. 4 years. B. 3 years. C. 6 years. D. 5 years. The correct answer is D. 5 years. Which level of local body is found below the oldest revenue founded in 1688 in India? A. City Municipal Corporation. B. Municipality. C. Town Panchayat. D. Village Panchayat. The correct answer is B. Municipality. How are representatives selected in a system where representatives act on behalf of others? A. By lottery. B. By random selection. C. By election. D. By appointment. The correct answer is C. By election. The text states that society comprises people from various what? A. Social groups. B. Architectural groups. C. Landform types. D. Cultural institutes. The correct answer is A. Social groups. What was a consequence of human lives losing value during wartime? A. Unimaginable violation of human rights. B. Global peace treaties. C. Increased economic prosperity. D. Development of new technologies. The correct answer is A. Unimaginable violation of human rights. Which jurisdiction allows the High Court to hear appeals against decisions made by itself on the granting of a certificate? A. Original jurisdiction. B. Advisory jurisdiction. C. Appellate jurisdiction. D. Supervisory jurisdiction. The correct answer is C. Appellate jurisdiction. How did you score?